Hello to friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a kitchen knife set preview. Don't get confused, the background, it just could not fit on my standard knife preview mat, so I'm using my hobby mat. Okay, so let's see. And yes, we have a Victorinox set. So this is the Victorinox 5.1163.5 kitchen 5 knife set. I'm getting asked a lot around that if I could recommend a starting pack or starting set for the kitchen, what I would recommend. So lots of my colleagues, when they starting to get more in the knives, I give them recommendations, of course, because I have some knowledge. And I did came across this set from Victorinox. I did recommend it to a few of my colleagues. They bought it and they are more than happy with that. So I need to say I am not using this set for myself. I did bought, let's say, a bunch of Victorinox through the years as a gift to my family and friends, for colleagues. So mostly everybody around me, and they are still using it through the years. They are light to sharpen, stay sharp for very long. I cannot say what kind of steel is used on them because that is some kind of family secret from Victorinox. But let's see. So here is the information. Okay. So firstly, what everybody needs in their kitchen is, of course, a good chef's knife. So you have lots of competition in this category, but as a starting set or starting knife, so this is the 5.1903.19. This is the model number of the knife. If you're interested, all of these knives can be bought separately, of course. It has a nice polished semi-satin finish. Okay, here is the size. So we have a 19 centimeters long blade, and the overall length is 31 on the chef knife. That is more than a feet. Then, of course, you will need some smaller knives for your let's say breakfast, for your vegetables, and all sorts of small tasks in which you don't need a large knife. Then, of course, one of my all-time favorite designs from, they've started probably with the Victorinox or Wenger. This is the tomato knife. So this is the new version, and this is the 5.0833. All of them have polypropylene handles. The size of the tomato knife is 11 centimeters, and overall length is 21.5 or 8.5 inches. The tomato knife is really well known in the kitchen knife culture. So this is another option here from Fiskars. And then let's continue. We have a vegetable knife. So this is there is no numbering here, but this is the 5.0603. We have a blade of around 8 centimeters and the overall length is 18 centimeters or 7 inches. This is another vegetable knife with a serrated edge, and let me tell you, the serrations on these Victorinox are lasting for a long time. I did had sharpen one maybe after 2 years, and that with continuously working on food with them, so not just sitting in a drawer. So the vegetable knives with the serrations has the number of 5.0433, and they are almost the same size. You have 8 centimeters and 18 centimeters. Lastly, the largest knife in the set. You always have to have a nice bread knife, just because using a straight, so fine edge, will dull your knife, and not always you will cut through a crisp baked bread. So keep that in mind to not to injure yourself. Okay, so get a nice bread knife. This is the 5.1633.21. Yeah. Size wise, we have an edge of 21.5 and overall length of 33.5 or 13.4 inches. So the price of the set is 26.9, so almost 27 euros. You can get them online, obviously, for cheaper. Search for your preferred reseller or for your Victorinox distributor in your country. They will have them on stock, or they can provide you with lead time for the shipping. As you can see, Swiss made. These two have no markings Victorinox on the handle, only on the blade. This one has it on the blade, and these two have it on the handle. I hope you can see it. So a really nice set, and from this starter set you can go to get all different sorts of intermediary knives, maybe some boning knives and fillet knives, steak knives. This would also function as a great steak knife. This is not only for vegetables, let me tell you. Okay, so if you are looking maybe a gift for your mom or your dad or your grandparents, and you want them to have a really nice sharp kitchen knives, then I strongly suggest go and check out the Victorinox 5 knives kitchen set. The number is 5.1163.5. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are don't, please subscribe. I'm preparing lots of new videos, try to release 3 of them per week. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.